Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how can we remove this extra language in your Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to remove these languages to your phone, so guys you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove this language in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to remove these languages. Guys, scroll it. As you can see all these general management settings, so just tap here, click on language guys. So guys, sorry for this outside sound guys, ignore it. So guys, which language guys you want to delete guys, press on language, and as you can see this setting guys, you want to remove this whole language except English. Then guys you can see this remove option, so guys tap here and guys remove it. So guys, this language will remove to your phone. Guys, you want to add again, so which language guys you want to add, so you can add from here like Chinese, Nepali, Hindi, English, Marathi, Gujarati, like Korean, like French, like that language. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove languages in our Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet in the next video with new topic. Bye bye friends.